What's up, guys? It's your boy djsoulforce. Today what we're going to do is test out the new GoPro HERO 5 session. It's not new on the market, it's new in my collection because first of all, I might want to say I've never been a GoPro fan. They're okay, but I think overpriced for the most part on the market. But the HERO 5 session is now available as a refurbished model, and you could get them around 125, 130 bucks or so. I'll put the links in the videos for that, guys. To start this video, we're gonna take the RedCat Shredder out for a test run with the new pinion gear. I'm currently shooting this video with my RunCam HD, so we can do a side-by-side comparison. I expect the GoPro to shoot some excellent video. It's going to shoot in 1080p at 60 frames per second. I'm only getting 30 frames per second with the RunCam that I have on right now. But as a DJ and as a YouTube creator, guys, it's very important for me to have good audio in my videos. You guys need to be able to hear what I'm saying. So we're going to test out the HERO 5 session, not so much for its video content, but for its audio. Stand by, guys. Okay, guys, we're now recording with the GoPro. We'll be able to do a side-by-side comparison of the audio quality. I'm running the shredder. I'm doing a test run after changing out the pinion gear. So now her pinion gear and spur gear are both solid steel, or hardened steel, I should say. So one of the things I need to do on this first test run is to listen to it, see if it sounds funny or weird or anything like that. And I'm gonna run it for just a short time, and then we're gonna take the top off and give it a visual inspection. So there's no truer way to test it, the mesh on the pinion gear and the spur gear, except for to run them and then take a look at it and see if you find any shredded pieces of metal inside of it. She sounds good. And that's going to be the big test of this camera. When I shoot videos like this, I rely on the footage to give me like the black box, so I can go back and listen to it and see if maybe the camera caught something that I didn't catch. She sounds good. She's running good now. Whoa! I had to do a skip to my Lou, my darling, on that one. She almost hit me. I haven't run a shredder in a while. She's getting up. She's running faster than what I could remember from the last time. The shredder running like a champ. The shredder running really good. I guess she knows she's got some competition in the fleet now with the Armor Creighton. This is going to be a real quick short run here, guys. Like I said, to test your gear mesh properly, what you want to do is of course you want to run it quick, short, hard run, a hard bash like this, and then go back and check to see if you see any shaved metal inside the gearbox, inside the chassis. Guys, I ain't gonna lie to you. The shredder has bought and paid for herself already. This is proven. 359 bucks, 1/6 scale, monster truck. To this day, she's still the biggest truck in my fleet. I have aftermarket tires on it, and shortly after I got it, the plastic spur gear wore out. I replaced it to metal. It was an easy conversion. Once I changed that out to metal, then I kept tearing up pinion gears. So what I found out was my pinion gears were wearing out unevenly, meaning that the motor was in there cockeyed, because the shredder motor mounts on these 4 sliders. And guys, unless you got a laser, it's hard to get all 4 of those guys to be at equal distance, and so that the motor is absolutely plush. I have mine, I think, set at a really good place right now, and I have it Loctite down, and we just finished that run. I don't see any shredded metal in there, guys. So let's go out and run out these battery packs and have some fun with it. Without a doubt, guys, the GoPro HERO 5 is going to shoot much better video than my run cam. I also have the option of viewing or previewing my video on my smartphone. I am wearing the GoPro right now, just like I would normally have my run cam strapped to my baseball cap. So we're gonna shoot the rest of this video using the GoPro, and after I get back to the desk and do some editing, if I like the audio, I'll keep it in and I'll keep talking. If not, you're gonna hear music and this will be our closing shots. The shredder's running good. Actually running damn good. I really have no complaints with this truck, guys. The shredder was, like I said in an earlier video, I already put money away to buy a replacement for this. Look at that shit. I expected to have torn this truck up a long time ago, and she takes a licking and keep on ticking. She's not the biggest, well, she is the biggest. She's the biggest truck in my fleet. Not exactly the fastest, but today she's trying to prove me wrong. She's running like a damn champ. I did upgrade the tires, guys. That was way back earlier when I first got this car. My only complaint from the factory out of the box was the factory tires. Man, wow. I forgot what I even put on there now. I went to my local hobby shop. I bought some, I think those are D-Boots sand scorpions. And with a name like that, you'd think they were made for sand. Sand scorpions. It was just slightly bigger than the factory tires, and you know, when change the size of the tires is almost like changing the ratio of a gear. The bigger tires give you more speed, but oh my God, look at the shredder. Now the shredder's not been known for getting up and doing wheelies and stuff. She's only a 4S, but
had mine almost 8 months now, and hell, I don't care if she could stand up and do wheelies or not. But what you want in a hybrid grade truck like this is low maintenance. I don't want to work on it every time I take it out to the field. I don't want to have to work on it every other run. Give me at least 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 to 10 runs between maintenance, guys. And that's what you got here. That's what I got here. She's the biggest car in my fleet. I could very well easily make it the fastest car in my fleet, but knowing RedCat Racing at the time of production for this for the shredder, this was a poor man's X-Mac. This is a poor man's Traxxas. Once you start trying to upgrade it and get more speed out of it and more performance out of it, it's gonna break because they didn't put that much money into this vehicle. But at $359, shit. Give me 2 of them. You want what? $359. Give me 2 of them. I haven't learned how to keep the car away from me, but I have learned how to stop it from hitting me. Jump your ass up in the air and squeeze the throttle and she'll fly right under your legs. The shredder acting a fool today. What's up with that? What's up? I love this truck since day one, guys. I still love it. She's running good, and the new pinion gear, the mesh held up really well. Just keep in mind that if you ever have to do any work on your motor and release that motor mount, you more than likely that screw is going to strip when you try to put it back in, or you're going to have mesh problems, guys. It almost takes a laser to line it up properly. And the best thing I can suggest is put it in as best as you can. Give it a quick short run and check for shredded metal inside. After that short run, I think I'm getting ready to go ahead and bash it, guys. It's your boy, DJ SoulForce. Pow! I'm out of here.